Hey, welcome. If your family wants to grow together in faith, but life keeps getting in the way, this is for you. The Family Discipleship System is a free Notion template that gives your family a simple, repeatable weekly rhythm around scripture, prayer, gratitude, and celebration. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to get set up and walk you through the core features. Let's go. This is the Family Discipleship System template page on the marketplace. In order to get it and use it for yourself, all you have to do is click Get Template. Then you'll be taken to a screen where you'll be prompted to set up a Notion account if you don't have one already. Go ahead and do that. Then, once you set up your account, or if you already have one, you'll find yourself on a screen that looks like this. All you have to do is click Add. Select where you want to add it. In this case, we'll do private. Enter your email address, check the box, and click Submit and Get Template. Then you'll be able to use it. Once the template's duplicated, open it in your Notion workspace. This is the home base. Everything lives here. Let's do 3 quick setup steps before you start using it. Start with your family values at the top. Even a rough draft is fine, maybe faith, generosity, kindness, or whatever works for you. These are sync blocks, which means they'll show up automatically in every weekly check-in. You only have to write them once, then they'll be visible to you and your family when it matters most. Next, drop in a verse of the month. Open the toggle, you'll see a scripture memory tracker. This is where you can add a verse your family wants to focus on this month. Like the values, it'll sync into your weekly check-ins automatically. Last setup step, add each family member to the family database. Click New, and then the family member gets their own space inside the system. This is where each person can do their own check-ins, track their prayers and wins. The heart of the system is the weekly check-in. Click Weekly Check-ins, hit New, and you'll see a template already structured for your family time together. Your values and verse pull in automatically. You just fill in gratitude, prayer request, and what happened that week. It takes 15 minutes and keeps your family spiritually aligned week after week. Back on the homepage, that weekly focus panel on the right always shows you your last check-in at a glance. The prayer and praise page is where your family tracks ongoing prayer requests and reflects on what they're thankful for. Toggle between gratitude and prayer requests. It's encouraging to look back through what God has done. Click any prayer to see the full details. Family rhythms is where you capture the recurring habits and routines that matter to your family. Morning prayer, Sunday dinner, monthly service project, whatever it is for your family. Filter by daily, weekly, monthly, or seasonal to see what's happening and when. This is how intentional families make discipleship consistent rather than accidental. The family library tracks everything your family is reading or working through together. Devotionals, Bible studies, podcasts, books. Filter by what you're reading now versus what's coming up. When everyone can see the same resources, it's easier to have real conversations about what you're learning. Scripture memory is where you build your family's verse library over time. Add the reference, the full text, which month it is, and change the status when you've got it down. With one click, it feeds directly into the verse of the month block on the home page. Everything stays connected. Finally, family wins. This is a running celebration board. Anytime someone has a breakthrough, hits a goal, or just did something worth celebrating, log it here. It's a simple but powerful way to build a culture of gratitude and recognition in your home. That's the Family Discipleship System. Here's my advice for getting started. Don't try to use everything at once. Begin with weekly check-ins and then add one other section, maybe prayer and praise or family rhythms. Build the habit first, then expand. If you have questions, please reach out. I offer free 30-minute setup calls, which you can set up in the link below or using the button in the template. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to see your family grow in discipleship together.